Oh! What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I got off of work kind of late, but with it being July right now, it gets dark at like 10:30. So I think we're gonna be chilling. I have a really cool meal planned for today. I've got some spare time before dinner. I just kind of want to hang out for a minute, but for now, I'm gonna set up my sleep system so I don't have to worry about it later. Holy hell, dude, it's super high. Oh, fuck. All right. Don't need this. This is gonna be awkward for coffee in the morning. Yeah. Hear me out. For my circumstances, not having a pan and everything, it's all cooked perfectly. The flavor is amazing. If you're like a tomato fan, this is your dish. It's crazy to think how all you really need is a jet boil. Not sponsored. I wish. Had a couple people in my comments asking if I'm a vegetarian. Some people just moved in right next door over here and they're playing music super duper loud and I care about the video for you guys. I'm thinking about moving spots. It's not too late or anything. It's like 7:30. It depends on how much longer it's going, but we will see. I'm not mad. I hope everybody enjoys their time when they're outside. If it takes music, I get it. I watch movies when I go to bed. I'm not here to judge. I am thinking s'mores though. If it's not blatantly obvious, there's a fire ban. So no campfire. Oh shit. Oh dude, come on now. It'll never be the same. That's okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it on my table, but it has started raining. I can't believe today, dude. Hey y'all. Oh my god. Yo! For the rest of the night, I'm gonna hang out in the back of this, probably watch a movie, drink a beer, and I'll get back with you guys in the morning. There's an otter swimming. The otter, beaver, Jesus. Let's go get working on some breakfast. What an amazing sunrise this morning. Like, look at this. Birds are excited. I'm excited. I did not sleep well last night. My truck wasn't level last night, so I slept weird. But I think any sleep out here is better sleep than we get at home, you know. You're just connecting. Coffee's doing me well this morning, though. I'm just gonna finish up breakfast and probably get packing. Sorry, no extravagant breakfast. I super didn't plan for it. Good enough, though. It's just 2 eggs, some sun-dried tomatoes, and some parsley. And that's exactly what it tastes like. I didn't season it or anything. I must have been hungry. I've been really debating getting a mattress, like an air mattress for the back of the 4Runner. If you guys have any recommendations for any of those, please do let me know down in the comments. Oh! I just saw this little trail and I wanted to take like a cool video, but I'm willing to bet it just looked like the intro to The Evil Dead. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna end that episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate I appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me these past couple of months. It means the world to me. I love making content, and I love that you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are looking for more content in between the 2 weeks that it takes me to make a video, I do have an Instagram and a TikTok, and I'd love for you guys to go check those out. If you guys enjoyed the video today, I'd love a like, share it with your friends, subscribe so you never miss a video. They'd all help me a lot. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching.